I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nicole. You can follow me on Instagram at HeyColeMiller and at HeyColeMillerHome. For today's video, we're doing a deep clean of my refrigerator. It was a mess and needed to be cleaned out regardless, but it needed a really good deep clean. So let's go ahead and jump on into it.
Say that you miss me, 'cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no, 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 I don't believe you, no. One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't believe you, no, 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 no.
I have no idea what the heck this is. Something must have leaked, like from leftovers or something. I have no clue, but I had to use a butter knife just to get it off, and I am still trying to figure out what it was.
To prove me you're different. When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no, I don't believe you, no, no, I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, 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 no. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the directions that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion.
So I know my refrigerator is not glamorous at all. All these other YouTubers have like the nicest refrigerators, and then there's mine. I have one of those like apartment style ones. I am hoping by the end of this year or next year we can get a new one, like a bigger one, a nice stainless steel one. But for now, this is what I got. But when I do get my new refrigerator, this one is just gonna go in our garage and it's gonna be the drink refrigerator. But I'm telling you, like, I just cannot wait to get a new one. I am over this one. I need more space. We're a family of 5. There's no room in it. I can't wait to get a new one.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, down, down.
That's going to be it for today's video. As you saw, my little tiny fridge really needed a good deep cleaning. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn that notification bell on, and I will see y'all for the next one. Bye, friends.
I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know.